Warsaw, the city that survived everything. Welcome to Warsaw, Poland. A city that's been destroyed, rebuilt, conquered, rebuilt again, and somehow still standing strong. First things first. This is the Palace of Culture and Science. It's the most controversial gift ever. The Soviets gave it to Poland in the 1950s, and let's just say, returning it wasn't an option. Exploring the old town. Look at this charming old town. Except it's not actually old. It was completely rebuilt after Second World War using paintings and postcards as references. Basically, Warsaw's old town is a real-life Photoshop reconstruction. This is Syrenka, Warsaw's warrior mermaid. Unlike the Little Mermaid, she didn't trade her voice for legs. She picked up a sword and shield instead. The Vistula River, the heart of the city. Flowing right through the city is the Vistula River, a vital part of Warsaw's identity. It's not just a pretty view. It's a place where locals come to relax, jog, or enjoy a picnic. And if you're lucky, you might catch some people kayaking or paddleboarding. And as the night falls, at wintertime, be sure to check out the Wilano Royal Garden of Lights. This stunning attraction transforms the garden into a magical winter wonderland, illuminating the pathways with thousands of sparkling lights. And if you're here for New Year's, prepare for a party like no other. Warsaw lights up with fireworks, concerts, and people come together to celebrate, make resolutions, and of course, enjoy some vibrant nightlife. And as the seasons change, Łazienki Park transforms into a vibrant canvas of autumn colors. The leaves turn into brilliant shades of orange, red, and gold, creating a picturesque backdrop for a stroll. Keep an eye out for the local wildlife that calls this park home. Whether they're scurrying through the leaves or enjoying the serene lakes, they contribute to the park's lively atmosphere and sense of tranquility. So that's Warsaw, a city that's been through everything but still stands strong. It's beautiful, historic, a little chaotic, but 100% worth visiting. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, drop a comment, and tell me, what's the first thing you do in Warsaw? Let me know, and see you in the next adventure.